We got a serious lizard hunter down here. Little Tyrannosaurus Rex lizard hunter. Where are we going this morning, Isabella?
A shell tour.
We're taking a boat to an outer island to go on a shell tour. Sorry guys, I do want to go jump in this thing right now and go crush it around here, but we're gonna go do the family thing again today. Haven't found a whole lot of time for fishing, but we're having a darn good time, aren't we, Bug? Good morning guys, and welcome to another episode. We are currently at Captiva Island getting ready for a seashell tour where you take a boat to an outer island. Been doing the family thing a lot, haven't had a whole lot of time to fish. Thanks for staying patient guys, and hopefully we'll put you on some more soon. I think I am gonna get on the kayak around sunset tonight and see if I can't do some more fishing, guys, so stay tuned.
I want to find a shark too.
Nice. Add it to the bucket. Isabella, look at this. So I know most people in Colorado might not know what this is, but this is a turtle track right here. They go up, they find a spot, lay their eggs, and then they come back down. So at night when you're walking the beach, if you just look for one of these, if you only see one of them, you know they're still up there somewhere. When you see one and another, you know they already went back out to sea. What's up, Scuba Steve? Isabella walking through the mighty jungle. Gotta take care of these guys. Give them a little $10 bill for the mate and the captain. You just wouldn't know, would ya? Would you know? Don't you know?
No, yeah.
Hold on tight, little duck.
Yeah, hold on.
The mucky duck.
Honey, I can't hold on any longer.
Okay. Hey, mambo. Mambo Italiano. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, this guy gets it. We're getting ready to walk into this Imaginarium Science Museum, and then we are going fishing right afterwards. Sheep's head, yellowtail. It's a lionfish, super poisonous, but also really good to eat. These little turds are living the good life. There it goes. Did a circle right underneath you. There's two of them. It went back this way.
Yeah, there's two?
Yep. going towards that other dock now.
Oh, I see the current.
Might have done a turn. Here, they came back this way.
Oh my.
Looked like mama and baby.
Huh?
Looked like a mama and a baby.
My long jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see a wiggle wiggle, show. You don't dribble dribble, you know, right in my feet. You really have to see it. 6 the compact, no slack.
Brand new hotel they just built in my hometown, so we figured we'd check it out. Good friend of mine, Mr. Chris Maslow, did a bunch of artwork inside of the place, so that's what sold us. The one and only legendary dirt parking lot. The proving grounds right there, guys. All right, let's see what you caught. Jade caught a snook immediately. All right, Jade just caught a fish within 30 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. It's a little snook. There he goes. Get him, honey. It's a catfish, don't get too close to him. Honey just keeps getting him. Jade's out fishing me for sure. Just another little juvenile snook by Mrs. Jade. Here he goes. Still got him? That's a snapper, honey. Hold him up. Jade caught a little mangrove snapper. Welcome to the northwest sticks of Florida, Crawfordville. Never would have expected someone to have 50 surfboards out here, and let alone a few Spectrums, but supposedly the waves are good in the Panhandle. We're gonna go meet this guy, rent a board, and get out there. Got some wrong turn vibes going on back here, guys. All right, you guys are never gonna believe this. This guy's got a sick setup here. Factory, builds boards, fixes them, has them for sale, classics, the whole deal. You guys see this. Do you have a name for this place?
It's just LitchfieldSurfboards.com.
Oh look, he's got a Spectrum sticker up there. Real surfers support real surf shops. That was our bumper sticker.
And that's a free ride right there. Well, it's a Spectrum, you just can't see it in the dark. A guy named Drew Wilkerson, big wave rider in Hawaii, came through here.
Sick.
He made him his first board.
This place is a straight up museum, guys. So he's got kind of his little retail going on up front. Some rental boards, lots of sick boards just hanging, and all kinds of memorabilia. Some wax, some fins. Come in here. This is his glassing room. Glasses boards there, uses the ultraviolet for the sun cure. All kinds of tools and stuff. Here's some finished product. It looks like it's been glossed. It probably just needs to be buffed out. Buffing room. More tools, another little area. Back here's all the classics. This is where he keeps his blanks at, so that you shape new boards out of these blanks, draw out the lines and carve them out. US blanks, and he's got some original Clark foams back there as well. These things are freaking legendary. You don't find these anymore, guys. And back over here looks like this is the actual shaping room where you sand it and you draw those lines and you sand it, carve it all out. Really sick looking shape he's got here for somebody. Epoxy. Got some air conditioning for those hot days. And then we're gonna take you back to the classics now. Check out the floor in here. Radical. This is where he's got all the super classic, legendary, priceless boards, collector's items, where he also has a Spectrum Custom Spectrum by John Lucas. Might have been for Trip Freeman, I'm guessing. Pintail tri-fin. It's got the channels. Super epic, guys. Just wanted to show you that before I hit the road with the rental that he's getting me on, and I'm gonna go surf Panama City Beach. I run a YouTube channel, so it's mostly fishing, but there's surfing, there's hiking mountains, there's snowboarding, there's the whole scene, you know. What an awesome experience, guys. That guy's a total legend, and his place was just next level. I just literally walked through memory lane with the smell of it, because I grew up in a surf shop with a factory, and that was epic. So anyways, he recommended a few beaches for us, and we are going to go hit one of them. So it's about an 1.5 to 2 hour drive, and we're hitting the road now, so let's get it. We just saw a turtle crossing the road, so we're gonna give him a hand. We're gonna help him across the road real quick. I got you, homie. Gotta help out the homies when in need. So we just swerved on another turtle. He was almost to the white line, and he was moving pretty good, so we're confident he got to the grass, so we didn't stop for him. But it was a close one. We had to swerve hard to miss him. So the swell dropped about 2 feet overnight, so instead of shoulder to head high, it's more like knee to waist high. But we're already locked into this mission, so we're still gonna go surf. We grabbed kind of a fun shape board. It's a 7.0 WRV wave riding vehicle. It's not high performance, but the waves are also just kind of small and kind of just mushy, nothing special. So we're still gonna go get wet, so you'll see that next. All right, we just pulled up to a surf shop here in Panama City Beach, where it's right across the street from the beach, and we're gonna surf out front here. We're gonna leave our van running with the employee keeping an eye on our vehicle while Kodak sits in the AC. I'm gonna fly my drone from right here and go check the surf real quick, so you should see those shots next. I'm hoping it's at least waist high. It looks like there's offshore wind here, so it should be glassy, but let's check it out. So although this isn't a high performance board like I normally ride, it's a 7.0, it's gonna work perfect for the small little knee-high waves. So there's not much out there. I'm gonna go catch a few waves for the heck of it. I'm all the way over here. Nonetheless, I'll walk down to the beach, catch a few waves for you guys, and we'll keep this episode moving. We are going fishing while we're here, so stay tuned, guys. Wow, this sand feels pretty different than anything I've ever felt on the East Coast. It's literally like sugar. Beautiful beaches, guys. The water's clean, people fishing. There's a little sandbar over here. I'm gonna check it out. Waves are very small, but you know what? It feels really good just to be wet. So we're gonna catch a couple and then bail so we don't leave the dog just sitting around too long. Alright, so I just got back to the car. Kodak just totally chilled out in the AC. The waves were super small. I didn't really have a whole lot of options there. I did enjoy just floating and body surfing, and I caught a couple waves, but it was weak, it was small. Beautiful beach, beautiful watercolor. Everything about the experience was radical nonetheless. We're gonna get some food and we're gonna make our way over towards Sop Choppy, and we'll be fishing here soon, guys. We're gonna go get some, so make sure you stay tuned. Good boy. Taking a poop, bro? What you doing here, Bubba? You pooping? Saw this park with all this big green grass area, so I figured it'd be a good spot to pull off and let Kodak roam. There's nobody here. Okay. Just dropped the board off to Dennis here and hooked him up with some SST stuff. Back to the hotel and going fishing tomorrow.